Hi, my name is Bill. This is a model of a Welsh Slate Quarry. The quarries would have covered many square miles, but this is just approximately a 4-foot square G scale O gauge. It represents about 30-inch narrow gauge, how they would move the slate in the quarries. They would use inclines, which were counterbalanced. They would push the loaded slate car onto the trolley, and then to counterbalance, it would pull the counterbalance up. The slate would go down to be unloaded, then the counterbalance brings the trolley back up. They also used a system called a Blondin, named after the first man who crossed the Niagara Falls on a tightrope. And this would pick the entire narrow gauge slate car up loaded and take it across the quarry to one of these sheds where they would split and make the slate into something usable. This is a battery-powered O-gauge faller train from Germany. All the photographs you'll see of quarry locomotives, they have no cab. So I removed the cab, added a coal bunker to the back. These are Thomas the Tank Engine slate cars that I had to open up the sides and put Lionel wheel sets in, and then I put a floor in. The whole idea, it was an experiment to see how this is the blue and green insulation foam that they use on buildings, how this would work as stone. And it works very well. You can easily cut it with a sharp knife. It glues well with a wood, like a Elmer's glue. And then using patching plaster like you would use on your wall, you can use patching plaster to fill in and make that rubble look. And then it was just cracker dust, like the limestone that you can get at a quarry or something to cover. The structure is also made out of the foam, and then it's just oddball pieces of balsa glued on to make it look like it was made from scraps of slate. The roof is made from cardboard and corrugated paper. Again, the cars are all Thomas. The slate that you see piled and in the cars is just cardboard that would come off of out of a shirt packaging, cut up and painted. The tools, the figures, everything else is just G gauge. This track down below is Mark's O gauge, and the scenery is rather minimal, but it's just a representation of what the slate railways looked like in Wales.
Size.
The size, it's approximately 4 feet square. It just had to make it big enough to hold the oval of plastic track. The tower is made from an O-gauge crane boom. We have a raven's nest with 3 birds in it on top. New slate being put on top of the hoist building. And just the little turntables that they would use to change the direction of the car. These are 90-degree crossovers, the centers out of Mark's O-gauge 90-degree crossovers. And they looked pretty good in their roll.
Can turn it on.
Yep, we can turn it on. It's just a C battery.